I spent a few hours enjoying nature and it went like this.
Ooh, ants bite me. Oh.
Oh, wrong clip.
Here's one of the coconuts. I have my coconuts here. I'm out here enjoying nature, getting some vitamin D. I need a thumbnail. Okay, so I'm finished. Okay everyone, back again. I got it. I have my spoon. Gonna take out some jelly now. Look at that. Take a good look at that. The best thing is when it's not too hard, but it's not too soft. Came out here to get some fresh air, take a break from off the screen. There are lots of trees around here, so you know the air is pretty good. I got another one right here. Real country with the spoon here. This one's more on the watery side. Finished. Ooh, ants bite me. Oh, ah. Ooh, look at this one. It looks really good inside. This is what's popping. Oh, it's really windy out here. The wind blows across my face. The cool breeze I will embrace. Call me a poet. So I'll show you guys the plum tree, the coconut tree, the plantain tree, the banana tree, aloe vera, lemongrass. Alright, that's it. I think I have some work to finish up, or unfortunate. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for my next video. Until next time, thanks for watching. Please share with your friends and family. Get your vitamin D, kids.